We'll take you now to Nkandla, where anticipation is building ahead of the traditional wedding of Maskandi superstar Khuzani Idlamlenze Mpungose. As one of the custodians of Zulu identity in contemporary music, Khuzani's nuptials are drawing thousands of supporters and putting a national spotlight on the evolution of traditional ceremonies in modern South Africa. From the symbolic rituals to the economic footprint of such cultural gatherings, this wedding is more than a celebration. It's a lens into popular culture, identity and affordability in 2025. Well, we're joined now by Zola Sholwane and live from Nkandla as preparations are underway, or at least the final stages thereof. I saw Zola behind you there, men eating meat. So, I mean, that tells me that at least the meat is ready.
Well, yes, indeed, Thabo. In fact, from what we understand, they've been slaughtering almost every day. And that is because people have been coming, every single day. So there has to be food. Now, it's part of, the Zulu culture. It's quite interesting seeing, people here in Nkandla all gathering and, everyone cannot anticipate, or rather they can't wait to see what tomorrow will be all about. But what is more important is the build-up, Thabo, the rituals that are done. And I'm actually joined by the groom right now, who is looking quite colorful. Khuzani, I know that you are actually quite busy, but if you could just take us through the significance of your outfit, Yako. Why are you dressed like a female Zulu person, if I had to put it?
Yes, greetings to you, greetings to your viewers. I don't know whether can I speak English or can I speak Zulu?
Any language of your choice.
Oh, let me choose Zulu because we are here at home and we are in preparations of a big udwendwe. So indlela engigqoke ngayo kusiko lwesiZulu ukuthi uma uzoganwa uyahlonipha. Ugqoke ufake iphinifa uhenqe kuya kwenzela ukuthi ke izulu lingani ubambe izulu ukuthi ngelanga ozogana ngalo ilanga libalele uma ungahloniphanga izulu liyana. So ke asibheke ukuthi njengoba ngihloniphile lizobe lina noma lizobe libalele lo ngaqoka kanje mhlaqala kwenziwa utshwala mhlaqala kubulawa inkomo uhlonipha kanjalo kuze kushaya ilanga futhi nomcimbi wakho ngonakali ube muhle abantu beyiphathe kahle. So ke this is the sign to show the respect for your big umcimbi omkhulu. Yes.
And I mean, we've seen social media wako how people have received your wedding, especially the traditional wedding. We've seen the gifts that have been coming in, and we're also told that la khlajwenya ilentinkomo every single day.
Yes, la kubulawa inkomo usuku nosuku. It's because abantu bayafika when they get in to give us izipho. Siyabosela inyama sibakhiphela idombolo. In case bengayitholanga ngelanga uyitholile emayifika. So wonke umuntu ahambe ayitholile because kungena abantu abaningi. Bashintshana usuku iminute neminute. Ngithi ngibiza bafika abantu la bebe kwi queue. Abantu la bafika bebe kwi queue isathula abanye khona abanye ngizwile ukuthi uthibela abanye abajampisa kwi queue. So ke lokhu sekwenzakala siyaqala. Futhi nami bengayitsheli ukuthi abantu bengenza kanjena kumina. As much as bengazi ukuthi abantu bayangithanda, but I didn't know ukuthi ngalendlela. So ngibone enye into, so angazi ngizoqhubeka ngiphile kanjani phakathi kwabantu abangihlonipha kanje. Ngisazokwazi yini ukubuye nje ngiyiphaphele nje. Ngoba phela abantu masebekhombisa ukuthi bakuhlonipha, so kumele ngempela nawe usuke imicabango yakhe ishintshe ime ngenye indlela. So kona wonke umuntu ofikile la ezongihlonipha ezodlulisa isipho sithi uNkulunkulu ambusise futhi abandisela abanye bafaka ngisho imali abathi sikude kufona umuntu engamazi athi ngikude please send your account send your account afake imali ayifakayo. Siyakubonga konke lokho, siyakubonga ngoba lo mcimbi omkhulu kangaka ungafunga ukuthi umkhosi omhlanga umcimbi lokho siyesibone ukhishela amamiliyoni igidi ngegidi wenziwa ohulumeni. Namhlanje sikubona la ekhaya la khona sibona amatende singaze siwabona ayoba la emzini maphathe emzini yobaba. Sithokoza kakhulu ngalokho.
Thinking about it, I'm seeing ilanga liyaphuma right now, and yesterday bekunimvula lana sibonile indlela, and how obviously it almost disrupted ama proceedings. So I think I am convinced that you wearing this actually seem to be working, and this is what we're actually told by one of the elders here. But let's come to the most beautiful part about all of this. I mean, you kept this a secret for a very long time, and we understand that you are marrying your long-term partner, basically for the second time, because there was a white wedding as well. How are you able to keep it a secret for so long, understanding that you are a public figure?
I think it's not a secret. It's a respect of a family, Kamakoti, respect of our family, because we understand that I'm a public figure. So if I'm a public figure, I'm a public figure through music, not through personal life. So uma ngihamba ngiyolobola, that is not a content. It's a respect to the family. So I think umakoti understand that, and I also understand that ukuthi this love is not a content. I'm not saying whoever who's showing it is doing a content. No, I'm not saying in that way. But I think she believes that, and I believe on that. We mustn't show this thing in case I senzeki akekho umuntu ozohleka yabo. So imfundiso yakubo, I didn't say he must not have Facebook. I didn't say she must not have Instagram, even TikTok. Imfundiso yakubo, I was told ukuthi bafundiswe kanjalo, even ukuthola ifone kumthatha isikhathi ukuthi abe nefone. So ke bamtshela ukuthi no, akangahlali kwi social media. Bamtshela futhi ukuthi akangafundi anything ngomnye into eshiwo ngomkhonyana wakhe through i social media, because izomlimaza emqondweni. So I think ukuthi iqale lapho ukuthi akholelwe kuleyo nto leyo. So angifisi ukuthi bethi hayi mhlambe ngiphilisa umuntu esifazane ejele. No, it's not like that, because mina nginakho. I do have all social media.
As somebody that, you know, is very keen on learning about the Zulu culture, and perhaps some of our viewers who are watching, are there any rituals that were conducted by maybe elders of the family just to seek blessings for you guys as a couple?
Yes, there's a lot. There's a lot that is happening since maqala kuvutshelwa kupheka utshwala. Kunezinto ezenzakalayo. You don't just go and uqala umsebenzi without ukureporta emsamo. Kuyareportwa emsamo ukuthi utshele abantu abadala ukuthi there is something that's going to happen here. So don't be shocked. We are reporting to you that you must come and be with us, bless this thing. And I don't understand clearly Kabo Makoti, because Umakoti is next to Eswatini. So whatever they do, into yamaswati. So mina ngenza into yesizulu. So I don't know ukuthi bona benza kanjani, but la kuyenziwa kuyahlonishwa. Even makuzobulawa inkomo, we don't just go and slaughter the cow. We report first ukuthi njengamanje this is what's going to happen. And yesterday they called me because utshwala bebengabili. So utshwala bebengafuna ukubila bube ready. So they called me bathi angilande induku yami engishaya ngayinsizwa ngizoyifaka etshwaleni. So mangiqeda ukuyifaka etshwaleni babili utshwala. So into leyo eyenzakala yesizulu, of which izinto ezimlingi ezazenziwa kudala. Yesterday bekunemvula. So bangibiza abantu abadala lapha endlini ngenhla bathi njengoba kunemvula kanje uzobona umcimbi. Hamba uyofaka something la, no matter what, but put something ekhanda so that imvula izoma. So ngenza exactly kuningi engikwenzile. Kade ngisemfuleni ngilanda amatshe omfula, ngizowapheka, ngizokhuluma namatshe, simisa izulu. And namhlanje abantu babonile ukuthi izolo belithi imvula namhlanje gonna be 60% lize liyoshona. And mawuchecka manje sezukuna liyoze liyoshona. it's because of imkhuba eyenziwayo nathi singeke sikwazi ukuyiphikisa yabantu abadala. Yeah.
So I'm looking at the time now. It's almost 4 o'clock. What are we expecting to see? Understanding that you are a Maskandi, person. Are we going to see any performances? I mean, the build-up is quite exciting, because we want to see who's coming. Or in the wee hours of the morning. Just tell us about that.
Yeah, umakoti is coming. You know what they do? They don't just live there home without someone that's going to be sent from here. Here we sit together and we decide who's going to go there and fetch them. Once they see him coming, they will be ready. During the night, there will be buses that are going to come from that side of Eswatini. I was told that there's Eswatini buses as well, because as I told you that they're sharing this thing, their culture, yes. So I was told that they were going to come once they see the someone who was sent from here to fetch them. And she's going to come here during the midnight. We are expecting them to come here, and we are waiting. Once the makoti come, we're going to come out, all of us, and welcome her. Njoba ezobefikile la bezokhuleka la ebukhosini bakaMpungose. So there will be a lot that's going to happen. Kusazongena endlini, there's something called umqumshelo, whereby we are preparing ourselves during the night ukuthi umunye nomunye uzokhiya kanjani. So sizokwenza lokho during the night. No one will sleep today. Yeah, till the morning.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. That is our groom there, of course, taking us through the processes that will lead to the big day, which is taking place tomorrow. For now, let's go to a quick ad break. We will be back with more news and views after this.